Hey everyone, as a lifestyle realtor here in Orange County, I'm always searching for basically solutions for you. It's not just about buying or selling real estate, but it's also about where you work, where you live, and how to make your life better. And today I'm thrilled to be with Hanan Saeed. Now Hanan is really a marketing guru. I'm going to call you a marketing specialist. And a lot of people, they'll think, well, marketing can be such a big term, Hanan. So first off, thank you so much for joining me today. And what I'd like you to do is for our viewers and really for my clients and future and past clients, what makes you different in your company as a marketing expert? Tell us a little bit about your forte and what makes you special.
Sure, thank you so much, Jules, for this opportunity. So at Mezelis Marketing Solutions, we really strive on making and building that connection with our client. And just like Jules is asking as far as what makes us really unique is that fact that we are very boutique. We're very selective in terms of the clients that we choose. And also we want to make sure that we can create an impact for that client. And I know that there are a lot of marketing companies out there, but our main goal is to really make that impact and be able to have a dedicated individual to work with that client from beginning all the way till the exposure and the building of their business. So at Mezelis Marketing Solutions, we have a three-pronged approach. The first thing that we do is we focus on their website, right? So your website is basically your digital salesman.
And you can build a website, right?
Absolutely,
okay.
Yes. Yeah, so what we do is we will, if they already have an existing website, we'll go ahead and we'll look at that and see how we can make it better.
Okay.
If they don't have a website, then we'll start from scratch and we'll understand, okay, who is their demographic? The first thing we do is we ask the client questions. Who's your demographic? Who are you trying to serve? What are the clients you're trying to bring in? And what are your goals, your financial goals?
Right.
And then from there, we say, okay, this is what we're going to do for you, right? And we tell the client that your website is your digital salesman, as I mentioned. It is there 24/7.
Your digital salesman, I like that.
Yeah, and it's always there on at any time. So anybody who wants to access and look at a specific business, it's there 24/7. You and I can only be in one place at one time.
That's right.
But your website will be there forever and all the time for you.
Well, one of the things I really love about Hanan and his company is really, when you say boutique, you mean it. They're full service, yet you really feel like a family-run business as far as the detail you give, the time you spend in really making it really, really custom. So because of that, you have clients, all over the world, Hanan?
I do. We have clients, of course, here in Southern California. We have clients in New York, Florida, Australia, also in the UK as well.
Yeah, well, one thing I really love about their business too, once again, whether you're a one person, really like a real estate agent like myself, or you focus on small to medium businesses, all right?
That's correct.
Okay, and the reason I believe Hanan does that is to really give that concierge personal approach. So how can people get a hold of you, Hanan?
Yeah, absolutely. So you guys can go ahead and go to my website, mezelis.com. That will be linked in the description, and you guys can also contact me via my email, hanan@mezelis.com, and you can reach out to me there, and we can talk further.
Well, once again, thank you so much for joining us, Hanan, and I encourage you to give Hanan a call or email him or check out his website. Listen, it's all about us living the best life we can, and that involves into our work. And listen, we're sitting here on the harbor at Balboa. Does it get any better, Hanan?
It does not.
Yeah, so give him a call. And thank you so much for watching today. And once again, Jules Wilson, Lifestyle Realtor with Seven Gables Real Estate. I'm here to serve you. Thank you.